Hi friends, in today's episode we are going to see about the writing of batch manufacturing record and its review. So first of all we will see what is the BPCR or BMR. BMR means batch manufacturing record. This batch manufacturing record represents all the activities related to the batch productions, means when this batch issue from batch issuance to the batch dispatch, means it represents all the activities at which date, at which time, which stage is carried out, at which parameter, by whom, which is the doer person and which is the checker person and which is the verifier. All these activities related to the batch are recorded in this batch manufacturing record. Means it gives the data from the batch issuance to the batch dispatch. So this all data is recorded online in this batch manufacturing record. So now we will see how to write this BPCR or batch manufacturing record, BMR. So we had seen in our previous sessions how to do the documentations. As per the regulatory requirement, batch manufacturing record writing means documentation we have to do as per the GDP guidelines, that is the good documentation practices. Or we had also seen the ALCOA principle, ALCOA CDC-VA we had seen in our previous session. So as per these guidelines we have to record the all entries in batch manufacturing record. This batch manufacturing record gives the instruction, all instruction how to manufacture the batch, and there is a space provided to record the data at every stage, which represents that which activity is carried out at which date, at which timing, by which person, and which person cross check it and verified it. So step by step we have to read the data which is given in the batch manufacturing record, means batch manufacturing instruction we have to read, and accordingly we have to do the activity and we have to record it onlinely. Means those things which is given in the batch manufacturing record we have to follow it strictly, and those things we are performing we have to record it, we have to write it at the spaces given, at the provision is there in the batch manufacturing record to do the activity as per the instruction and record it. So doer person read it and follow the instruction and record it sequentially. Means write the equipment number, write the area number, then write the start time of the activity, then write the stop time of the activity after completion of the stop time. Then there is a provision of do the initial of the doer person, and there is a date column to write the date at which date you are performing this activity. Also there is a provision of the check by column. After checking all the data, all the activity related data and its parameter, means which parameter we have to follow and which parameter we had followed, that recorded data has to be checked by the checker person and after satisfactory checking, he has to do his initial at the check by column. Also, there is a provision of the cross checker or a verified by column. Verified by column is there for the verified by person. He has to verify all the activities and he has to do his initial. So, as per batch manufacturing instruction, we have to follow the steps and we have to record the data online in the batch manufacturing record. Those parameters to set on the machine to carry out the batch manufacturing activity and on which parameter this batch is manufactured, we have to record these batch process parameters in the given format. These all online data should be filled by the doer person. This is the mandatory requirement of the regulatory agencies. Means only the doer person has to record the data onlinely. Because only the doer can do the entry at the right time, at the right place, at the right date. So this is the mandatory requirement of the regulatory agency to do the entry at the right time or a real time. Means real time documentation must be there. During recording of the data, if there is any mistake is happened by the doer person, then he has to strike out the wrong entry. That correction must be legible. Previous data must be visible. He has to single strike out there and nearby it he has to write the correct data. He has to do the initial and date, and at footer he has to give the justification for the correction. For example, while recording the date, if he write the wrong date, then he has to cut it by crossing it by single line. Then he has to do the correct entry, means he has to write the correct date and he has to give the justification at the footer as the date corrected. Such a way he has to do the good documentation. If there is a blank spaces are remain in batch manufacturing record, then these blank spaces he has to single linely strike out it and he has to do the initials and write the date. Means no blank spaces should be there after recording the data. In such a manner, all BMR we have to fill. Means a real-time documentation must be there and all entries must be recorded onlinely. If any interruptions are there, if any breakdowns are there, then when there is a stoppage of activity, he has to stop the activity and gives the justification for the interruption. Then after filling of all data during batch manufacturing, checker person has to check all the entries and do the check by sign and put the date. So such a manner online documentation should be there. After completion of this BPCR filling, a review must be there. all parameters which is recorded onlinely. After complete filling of the BPCR, review activity must be carried out there. Means review of all the BPCR right from the start step to the end step. Review should be carried out. Means reviewer person has to check all the entries which are done in the BPCR. Then he has to check all the formats are filled in proper manner. Then he has to check for any observations or incidences are recorded or not. Then he has to check all the parameters in the BPCR, and he has to also check on which parameter the batch is manufactured. Then he has to check all the raw material tags, all the data recorded, all other tags at the different steps. Tags means the status labels he has to check. Then stepwise batch manufacturing record he has to check. Then all the cleaning checklist if there he has to check. Then various format for the various parameter he has to check. In such a manner, all entries he has to check. If any correction is there, then he has to do at the real time, and after completion of this review, he has to release the batch for the dispatch. Such a way, BPCR writing and review should be carried out. Thank you.